Hello friends, today we are going to uncover a mystery that is 5,000 years old, known to only 1% of the world's population. Have you ever seen or heard the most successful people in the world talking or giving speeches? If not, you can see in these pictures. Do you notice any special similarity among them? If you observe closely, you can see that from Elon Musk to Ronaldo, all the celebrities, when giving interviews or speeches, hold their hands in a special gesture. What is the secret behind these gestures, which have been used for a long time in foreign countries? In today's video, we will uncover the secret of hidden hand gestures in Indian history, and once you know their secrets, you will too use these hand gestures while speaking. This incident happened thousands of years ago when Buddha was meditating in a special hand gesture, and all his disciples were also in a meditative state. After some time, when Buddha came out of his meditation, one disciple asked about the significance of his hand gesture. The disciple had recently joined the monastery and was unaware of the secret behind Buddha's special gesture. Buddha smiled and called the dear disciple to him, saying, "Today, I will reveal to you the greatest secret of this ancient world." The secret of hand gestures is still very special today because it holds the mystery of how the entire universe is governed. The disciple, showing eagerness, asked again, "How is that possible, Guruji?" Buddha took the disciple's hand in his own and began to explain how the unique shape of our hands makes our lives fearless, free from anxiety, long-lasting, and powerful. You have 5 fingers in your hands, and within these 5 fingers lies the incorporation of the 5 elements of this universe. Each finger represents a different element. The thumb represents fire, the index finger represents air, the middle finger represents space, the ring finger represents earth, and finally, the little finger represents water. When we join these 5 fingers in a specific gesture, we balance the body made up of these 5 elements. This helps us focus our attention on our goals and contributes more to our success. It keeps our body and soul balanced, channeling all our energy towards our objectives. Listen carefully to what I am about to tell you, my disciple. Join the tips of both your thumbs inside towards your palm, touch your index fingers to the outside, and curl the rest of your fingers. This hand gesture is called the highest knowledge mudra, and it is the most powerful one. It is used widely because it holds a special secret. When we hold our hands in this mudra, it increases awareness within our body and soul. This mudra helps in keeping our mind free from all kinds of stress and unnecessary thoughts. Practicing this mudra helps in keeping away fears, worries, negativity, and boosts our self-confidence and awareness. It strengthens our decision-making abilities, keeps us emotionally focused, and adds a new shine to our personality. That's why not only I, but also the most successful people in this world use this mudra during conversations. Talking with this mudra increases our self-confidence and keeps our focus centered on the topic. The highest knowledge mudra is also known for its power because when we speak with this mudra, it feels like the person in front of us is speaking the complete truth with new self-confidence. The disciple was quietly listening to Buddha's teachings, feeling as if he himself was being guided by the divine. The Guru continued to explain and said, "Disciple, the highest knowledge awakening mudra will take you to the highest level of wisdom. Because in this mudra, our body, mind, and soul are all awakened and balanced." From a scientific perspective, our hands contain more than 3,000 magnet receptors that help send signals to our brain through the nervous or tantric system. These receptors play a special role in reducing the distance between the mind and body. All these hand mudras were developed after centuries of meditation and practice. By using these hand mudras, we send a powerful signal to our mind and brain, allowing our brain to access the new level of intelligence. This enhances our decision-making abilities and brings a new awareness to our mind. The knowledge of hand mudras from the treasure trove of Buddha's wisdom made the disciple content, and he started practicing hand mudras with gratitude. We hope that you will also use these hand mudras in your life and bring forth new rays of light from the hidden mysteries within them. Thank you for listening to this video until the end.